Hey guys, so Realme is also launching smartphone with dual hole punch and dual mode 5G SS/NSA inside 2019. You guys know Xiaomi started teasing this same thing a few months back and they are launching the Redmi K30 with same punch hole design and same features. Indeed, Xiaomi is having a massive lead on this cause they are joining hands with MediaTek and Qualcomm in order to be first to use Snapdragon 735 and MediaTek's new CPU. Xiaomi will be launching the K30 mid-December. Now watching Xiaomi, many brands are planning to launch phones with similar design and similar specifications next month. Realme, which is Oppo's sub-brand, Vivo, Honor, Huawei are officially launching similar devices. Honor is announcing the V30 with dual mode 5G on November 26 and the V30 features a dual hole punch on top left corner. It has Kirin 990 5G CPU which is Huawei's own silicon, 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. Huawei is also launching the Nova 6 smartphone with high silicon Kirin 990 5G CPU next month. This one also has exact same dual selfie shooter layout. It is just a carbon copy of Honor V30 with different branding. Talking about the Realme X50, they are planning to use Snapdragon 735 5G CPU and design wise it's also coming with dual hole punch design on the top left corner with LCD panel. And finally Vivo X30, another smartphone with freaking same dual hole punch layout 5G CPU. However, they won't use Snapdragon or MediaTek CPU. Instead, Vivo is using Samsung's Exynos 980 silicon, fast charging, and it's coming with something new in the camera department, maybe a telephoto lens. Samsung is also working on the Galaxy A70 which is coming with 5G, but Samsung is way different in terms of design, in terms of display, and in terms of perfection. You all know Galaxy S10 Plus started this dual hole punch trend, and now these Chinese brands are copy pasting this design. I don't know where is originality. So these are some rival brands planning to take down the Redmi K30, and that's with same design, similar CPU and similar pricing. You guys are the one to decide which one to pick. Honestly, I do prefer Xiaomi and Samsung over other brands I mentioned. That is my personal opinion, of course. You can have yours also. So yeah, let me know Samsung versus Xiaomi versus Realme versus Vivo versus Huawei and Honor. Which one would you pick and why? Like, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.